Today, let's learn how to customize the iPhone lock screen with wallpapers for iPhone. First, install and open the Live Wallpaper 3D app for iPhone. You'll have access to hundreds of wallpapers instantly. Touch the menu button on top to see the list of categories. And choose your favorite wallpaper. Once you've selected, tap the download button to get the wallpaper on your iPhone. You can also choose a live wallpaper to play on your lock screen. Simply go to the Live Wallpapers section, and select a live background from the collection to download. For the next part, head over to your iPhone settings, and navigate to Wallpapers. From there, tap to choose a new wallpaper, and go to All Photos. Next, simply open your preferred background, and tap on Set to select as a lock screen. Similarly, select the live wallpaper from there, and set it as your iPhone lock screen. Once it's set, simply touch and hold the lock screen of your iPhone to see the live wallpaper activity. That's it. Download the Live Wallpaper app for iPhone from the given link in the description below.